Oscar Piastri's sprint race at the 2025 São Paulo Grand Prix ended in dramatic fashion after a sudden crash on a damp part of the track. On lap 7, the McLaren driver clipped the inside curb at turn 3, where the surface was still slick from earlier rain. His car snapped out of control, spinning into the barriers on the outside. The impact was not severe enough to cause injury, but it heavily damaged his car's front suspension and side pod. Piastri immediately radioed the team to report that he was okay, though the disappointment was clear in his voice. Moments after Piastri's spin, chaos unfolded behind him. Nico Hülkenberg and rookie Franco Colapinto also lost grip in the same section of the track. Both cars went off in almost identical fashion, proving just how tricky that damp curb had become. Marshals rushed to the scene as debris scattered across the circuit, and race control quickly deployed the red flag to allow for barrier repairs and a full cleanup.